Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create amazing AI avatar videos using HeyGen. If you want to turn text into professional videos without a camera or microphone, this tutorial is perfect for you. And let's get started. First, go to the HeyGen website and create your account. You can sign up using your email or your Google account. Once you log in, you'll see the main dashboard where you can start creating your first AI video. Click on Create Video, then choose an avatar and click Public Avatar. HeyGen will show you many AI avatars you can choose from. Pick the avatar that fits your content style. Some avatars look professional, some are casual, and others are great for educational content. Now it's time to add your script. Simply type or paste the text you want the avatar to speak. HeyGen will automatically convert your text into natural AI speech. Next, select the voice and language you want. HeyGen supports many different languages and voice styles. Choose a voice that sounds natural and matches your audience. You can also customize your video by adding backgrounds, text, images, avatar layout, avatar background, motion engine, video captions, or music. These options help make your video more engaging and professional. Once everything is ready, click the Generate button. HeyGen will create your AI avatar video in just a few minutes. After the video is ready, you can preview it, download it, or share it directly on social media or YouTube. And that's how you create AI avatar videos using HeyGen. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI tools, and see you in the next video.